So it's asking us which of these equations models exponential growth. So first of all, let's talk real quick about what an exponential equation looks like. Here's the standard form of an exponential. It's y equals a times b to the x power. That's the standard form. So now how do we tell if it's growth versus decay? So we have exponential growth functions. Exponential growth functions look like this. Exponential decay functions look like this. And so for a growth function, how do we tell? Well, for a growth function, the b value is greater than 1. So all we have to do in this question is look at the b values. So here's the b value. Here's the b. This one, we'd have to do 1 minus 1/5. So let's see, that's 1 minus 0.2. So that's 0.8. That's the b value on that one. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. That's its b value. So all I have to do is look at the b values and see which one has a b value that's greater than 1. In that case, it's b. B has a b value of 5. So the answer is B. But just to follow up with this, let's talk about how do we know if it's a decay function. So in a decay function, the b value, first of all, it's greater than 0 and it is less than 1. So in a decay function, the b value is between 0 and 1. So there you go. That's how you can tell. It's actually pretty easy if you know. So keep it up. You're doing great. You are working to master the math.